Angel got his 22B kit, and we're gonna do that today. Right, Angel? 22B kit? 22B kit? 22B kit? 20. He doesn't actually know it's a new engine. Alright guys, so we're gonna start this off like always.
Can you hear him?
Sorry?
He's gonna order from the back window. Can you hear?
Alright, can I get a venti cold brew with light ice?
Okay.
1 pump of caramel syrup, 4 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, light cream, and light caramel drizzle, please.
Okay.
With a little extra love sprinkled on top.
A little extra.
Nothing. Alright guys, so we just got back to Angel's house, and I noticed on the back of my tailgate, there's little indents, and it's a perfect cup holder. So if you have a Ranger, you got 6 cup holders on the tailgate. Look at how crazy that is. But also, Angel got his 22B kit, and we're gonna do that today. Right, Angel? 22B kit? 22B kit? 22B kit? 20. He doesn't actually know it's a new engine.
Hey, what's up, guys? I don't know what the fuck Jeff is on this morning. It's too damn early to be acting the way he's acting. This man has got no damn chill. In case you guys didn't see from the title or the intro, the 22B kit is finally in. We're gonna unbox it and get some dope clips of it. I don't know if we're gonna start any of the install today. We got a bunch of shit we have to do still. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into that.
I'm going. Where's short?
All the way down.
I'm telling you, you're gonna have to make a video of yourself.
Big box, bro. It's open though. Are you able to get that, Jeff?
So this is the width of a normal GC8 fender. This is the width of the 22B super wide that Angel ordered. So just a quick back and forth. It's a mountain of difference here.
Wait. Take that. So that's good. Stuff to do this. It was actually pretty fucking big.
You're not gonna run the lights?
I don't have all the lights currently, so eventually I will.
Decide on fog lights.
This is the bottom. You can tell by the curve.
Angel, you want fog lights?
I think so. Why?
This will decimate it all after you put about. You have to trim out all of this.
Yeah, no, that's the only thing.
You're gonna put some big wheels up here.
Hell yeah, this wheel's gonna be fat. Tires gonna be fat.
At least 10 and a half, bro.
You think orange was the right move? I think it was.
I think orange is the right move. With the color you're doing,
I think so too.
it'll
Right?
kind of hide it until they're on. I think that'll look good.
$1 million question is. Let's see. We go with the classic stars. Come on, G. We go with the classic stars. Do we go with the JDMI?
I'm thinking stars.
I'm thinking stars too. Danny?
I like the old school look first.
Or
I don't like the eye.
it does look fine.
I think it complements all the swoops and whatnot you got going on.
Alright guys, so we have everything out of the box. Maybe I'll put a fender on today, but I probably won't do anything today. This is how it's gonna happen. I'm gonna split the car up in parts. So I'm gonna do the fenders one day. I'm gonna do the front bumper, back bumper, side skirts. You know, everything's separate. The longest video is gonna be the over fenders in the back because we have to mount them, and then we're gonna have to bondo and put body filler. So that'll be the longest. The last video will probably be the side skirts, because that pretty much ends everything. Jeff's goal was to finish by May 19th. I'm trying to have mine done. Drivable in May. I don't know about done though. Drivable in May. It'll probably...
What about your car?
Danny's car doesn't really need much to be drivable.
Maybe like 1-2 more weekends, and then I'll probably be happily on the road.
Alright guys, nothing too crazy. We're gonna start putting everything away. Jeff's got a to-do list. I'll probably tag along with him. You doing that right now?
We could. We can start knocking out some of the easier stuff.
We'll get to that in a second. Make sure you guys are subscribed if you guys want to see the build. We will be documenting as much as possible. Plus, these guys have fucking sick-ass builds going on too. So if you guys aren't subscribed, you should definitely be subscribed. Thanks for getting us over 400. Our next goal is 500, and then 1,000. Then we're gone. This is super fun though. This is super exciting. We will catch you guys on the next one. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We will see you next time.
He's been around.
Put this in the garage. What are you doing? It's my eyeball. I can't blink. Here's the video after the video.
Yo, Angel, if this doesn't fit your car, can we put it on the truck? If the body line lines up, can I put it on the truck?
If it doesn't fit my car and it lines up with your car, we can put it on your truck.
Get this shit, man.
Man, that body line looks like it lines up, Angel. Man, just build the Celica. I'll put the wide body off your hands. I'll give you 550.
Put on the Ranger.
Battery's actually dead. Alright, guys. You know, you already guys. And if you don't know, and you own a Ranger, there's these little divots that are perfect cup holders. And there's an airplane going over.
Too early for this shit, Jeff.